Welcome to We Learn. Session 7, Unit 4, Financing of Enterprises. Topic will be going to cover leasing, hire purchase and venture capital. Yes, as we discussed in the previous session also, that there was the various forms of financing the enterprise. So the leasing is another form of financing the enterprise. So now what is leasing? Leasing is an agreement between the two parties, that a leaser or leasee, that leasee who makes the payment under the term of an lease to the leaser for a specific period of time. जब एक specific period of time के लिए एक person payment pay करता है एक चीज को use करने के लिए, that comes into the lease. That means जो पेमेंट पे कर रहा है वो लीजी होगा, जिसको पेमेंट मिल रही है वो लीजर होगा for the specific period of time. We can take an example that leasing is a kind of a renting one. जब आप लीज पर एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम पीरियड के लिए अपनी कोई भी प्रॉपर्टी या किसी भी तरीके की जो प्रोडक्ट है आप उसको देते हो just to use for the specific period of time. Now the leasings are basically, we can say that they were one of the operating leasing also, as the mentioning in the slide that there is an operating leasing. So the first one they were discussing about that we can say that leasings are often a two form of lease, that is operating and finance lease. So operating lease is kind of a rental agreement between leaser and a leasee, so that leaser can supply the equipment to leasee. किसी भी तरीके की equipment है वो supply करना एक तरीके का operating leasing होता है. Then second is leaser is responsible for servicing and maintaining the lease equipment. In that terms, the leaser is basically responsible for servicing and maintaining the leaser's equipment. That person is basically responsible कि वो ही उन सारे equipments की responsibility लेगा for maintaining and servicing them. The period of a leasee is fairly short, less than the economy life of a asset, so that at the end of a lease agreement, the leaser can either lease the equipment to someone else or other obtain the good rent for it or sell the equipment second hand. So that means कि जो leasing का time period होता है that's more or less shorter than the asset, जो भी asset आप send कर रहे हैं, lease पर दे रहे हैं, उससे छोटा होता है. Because at the same time इसलिए छोटा होता है वो कि जो भी एक आर्टिकल लीज पे दी जा रही है वो आगे फर्दर यूज हो सके. एक दूसरा एंड सेकंड इज कि इक्विपमेंट कैन बी सेल आउट एज एन सेकंड हैंड. सो दीज आर द टू पर्पस जिसके लिए एक लीजिंग का जो टाइम पीरियड होता है वो शॉर्टर रखा जाता है. The main important characteristics of a finance lease. Finance lease के characteristics को समझने से पहले we will going to understand about कि फाइनेंस लीज होती क्या है. फाइनेंस लीज इज बेसिकली एन लीज एग्रीमेंट. ये एक लीज एग्रीमेंट होता है बिटवीन द यूजर एंड द लीज असेट एंड अ प्रोवाइडर ऑफ अ फाइनेंस फॉर मोस्ट ऑफ द टर्म. दैट इज मोर और लेस द सेम एज द ऑपरेटिंग वन. डिफरेंस इज जहां पर लीज के ऑपरेटिंग के अंदर हम एक असेट्स को पास ऑन कर रहे थे ऑन अ लीज, फाइनेंस के अंदर वी वर पासिंग ऑन दी फाइनेंस. दैट मीन्स हम फाइनेंस प्रोवाइड अ फाइनेंस, जो फाइनेंस प्रोवाइड करेगा वो लीजर होगा एंड यस एट द सेम टाइम जो एसेट्स वहां पर रखेगा फॉर दैट सिक्योरिटी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू वो लीजी हो जाएगा. सो दैट इज द ओनली डिफरेंस बिटवीन द फाइनेंस एंड ऑपरेटिंग वन. सो यस, व्हाट आर द इंपॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ फाइनेंस लीज. फाइनेंस लीज के क्या इंपॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक हैं. सबसे पहला, लीज इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द अपकीपिंग, सर्विसिंग एंड मेंटेनिंग ऑफ असेट्स. लीजी ही रिस्पॉन्सिबल होगा बट द लीजर इज नॉट इन्वॉल्व इन दिस एट ऑल. हमारा लीजर किसी भी तरीके से इसमें इन्वॉल्व नहीं होता. देन द लीज हैज प्राइमरी पीरियड विच कवर ऑल और मोस्ट ऑफ द इकोनॉमी लाइफ ऑफ द असेट्स. एट द एंड ऑफ द लीज the leaser would not be able to lease the assets to someone else as the assets would be worn out. So in that terms, yes, जो भी प्राइमरी पीरियड होगा इट ऑलमोस्ट कवर्स द लाइफ ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर असेट. assets at because at the end of that particular lease, उस लीज की एंड में maybe the leaser would not be able to lease the asset someone else. जैसा कि ऑपरेटिंग में हो रहा था कि आपका लीज जो था फर्दर आगे उसे यूज कर पा रहे थे, पर फाइनेंशियल असेट्स के अंदर ऐसा नहीं होता. Then now we are moving towards the hire purchase. That what is hire purchase? If we will discuss about the hire purchase is a form of installment credit. ये installment credit होती है. It is more or less similar to the leasing with an expectation that ownership of a goods passes to the hire purchase customer on the payment of a final credit installment. यानी कि उसकी by believing this कि ownership जो है वो transfer कर दी जाएगी, that ownership of that particular good passes to the hire purchase customer, जिसने hire पर उसे खरीदा है, that comes into the hire purchase on the payment of financial credit installment, कि एक financial एक last payment या last installment देने के बाद that particular goods belongs to the particular person. जैसा कि for example we take in a vehicle in on a loan basis or on an installment basis, and that terms जब तक हमारी वो installment पूरी नहीं होती, that comes into the authority, उसकी जो title of goods होता है, उसकी जो possession होती है, वो उस particular person के पास ही रहेगी जिसने उसे उसके लिए पैसे पे किए, मतलब वो एक्चुअली गिव दैट मनी. और जो इंस्टॉलमेंट पे कर रहा है उसके पास उसकी पोजीशन तभी आएगी जब वो उसकी लास्ट इंस्टॉलमेंट पे आउट कर देगा. दैट्स कम्स इनटू द हायर परचेज. सो हायर परचेज इज दैट फॉर्म ऑफ इंस्टॉलमेंट क्रेडिट. यस, हायर परचेज एग्रीमेंट यूजुअली इन्वॉल्व अ फाइनेंस हाउस. ये एक तरीके का फाइनेंस हाउस ही है. सो दैट इज द फ्यू थिंग्स व्हिच इज इन्वॉल्व्ड इन इट. First, the supplier sells the goods to the finance house. जो supplier है, they sell the goods to the finance house. Second, the supplier deliver the goods to the customer who will eventually purchase them. Supplier उसी को goods deliver करेगा जो finally एक point of time बाद goods को purchase कर लेगा. And hire purchase agreement exists between the finance house and the customer. और जितनी भी hire purchase agreement होगा वो finance house और customer के between ही होगा. Now comes the government assistance. As we discuss about the government assistance, what is basically that? This is the government provide the finance to the company in cash, guarantees and other form of direct assistance as a part of its policy of helping to develop the national economy, especially in the high technologies industry and in the areas to the higher unemployment. That means जहाँ पर the finance was granted in the direct assistance of the government. जब government की direct assistance में किसी भी तरीके की financing होती है to the particular society, that comes into the government assistance. That's why they were helping in developing the overall national economy and especially in the higher technologies industries. अगर higher technology industry की बात करें या higher unemployed areas की बात करें, so in that case it is especially helpful जब government किसी तरीके की assistance provide करवाती. That means government help, financial help which is provided to the companies by granting the cash or any kind of an indirect involvement. Now we were moving towards the venture capital. Venture capital is kind of a private equity is the broader term that refers to two types of a public ownership, equity security, and are not listed on the public exchange. Or venture capitalist means the equity financing for the rapidly growing private companies. तो हाँ, हम इसे ये कह सकते हैं, that means the person is actually investing certain kind of finance and it comes into the with that particular capital it's enter into the certain ventures or private company. तो अगर हम private equity की बात करते हैं तो yes, it is referred to any type of non-public ownership equity securities. ये non-public ownership equity securities होती हैं. और yes, at the same time venture capital are basically looking forward to equity financing for the rapid growing private companies. Private companies जब अपनी किसी भी तरीके की benefits के लिए and at the same time किसी भी तरीके की venture को start करने के लिए काम करती है, that comes into the venture capital. So in that case we can say that finance may be required for the startup. ये जो भी finance हम generate करती है किसी भी तरीके का, तो वो कब कब कर सकती है? किसी भी तरीके का business startup करना हो, किसी भी तरीके की development करनी हो, या किसी और company को purchase करना हो. So इन सब चीजों में पैसे को generate किया जाता है. So the goal of a venture capital is basically to build up a company so that share become liquid. जितना भी मार्केट के अंदर शेयर है वो लिक्विड हो जाए एंड प्रोवाइड द रेट ऑफ रिटर्न टू द इन्वेस्टर. एट द सेम टाइम प्रॉपर हम रिटर्न्स जो है ले सकें अपने उस शेयर से, एट द सेम टाइम हम इन्वेस्टर्स को भी रिटर्न्स प्रोवाइड करवा सके. दैट इज कंसिस्टेंट विद द लेवल ऑफ रिस्क टेकन. एट द सेम टाइम including all the risks which can be happened. Now the advantages of venture capital. Venture capital के क्या क्या advantages हैं? सबसे पहले it injects the long term equity finance which provide a solid capital base for the future goal. Yes, आप एक good strong organize एक background बना सकते हैं, strong equity finance create कर सकते हैं just to issuing that IPOs or getting or issuing the good shares in the market. So that comes into the first advantage. Second, the venture capitalist is a business partner sharing both the risk and rewards. Venture capitalists are rewarded by the business success and the capital gain. Venture capital एक capitalist जितने भी होते हैं वो are actually issuing और investing the money, जो basically एक money को finally invest कर रहा है, जो वो एक business partner की तरह ही deal किया जाएगा, वो एक business partner की तरह ही काम करेगा, which actually sharing both the risk and rewards, जो risk and rewards को share करेगा. Then venture capitalist is able to provide the practical advice and assistance to the company based on the private expenses with other company which were is similar situation. That is the same. जो भी कैपिटलिस्ट वेंचर कैपिटलिस्ट जो फाइनली किसी तरीके की इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रहा है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर, दैट पर्सन इज कंसीडर्ड एज द कंपनी बेस्ड पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस, उसके पास किसी ना किसी तरीके का एक्सपीरियंस होगा, वो प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज और प्रैक्टिकल असिस्टेंस के लिए और एडवाइस के लिए ही कंपनी में बेसिकली होता है. सो इन दैट केस दिस इज कंसीडरिंग दैट कि ये एक एडवांटेज हमेशा एक कंपनी को रहता है कि बीइंग इन अ वेंचर कैपिटल दे हैव एन अ गुड प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज, a venture capitalist. Then there was a new venture growth strategy. If we were discussing about the new ventures growth strategy, so yes, we were basically considering that कि कौन-कौन सी venture strategies होती हैं जो कि follow की जाती हैं. So there was the basic strategies to be followed: market strategy, product and service strategy, organization strategy, people strategy, and finance strategy. If we were discussing about the market strategy is more towards the strategy of a market कि आप market में कैसे एक stabilized growth generate कर सकते हो, that comes into the market strategy. Product and service strategies are more towards the किस तरीके की product and services के अंदर the person is basically dealing. And the organization strategy is the overall strategy of the organization. What are the various points to be considered in that strategy? People strategy is more towards the human resource strategy of the particular organization, and finance strategies are basically related to the arising of finance, how to arise the finance, how to utilize that particular finance. So these are the 5 kind of strategies which are actually helpful in the new ventures growth strategy. So now yes, there was a few questions which you have to do by yourself. The first question is what are venture and what are the strategies to be adopted? Name them. Ventures क्या होते हैं? Ventures की definition, you have to explain the ventures definition, and yes, what are the venture capital that you have to explain it. And then venture strategies, जितनी भी strategies अभी हम लोगों ने 5 strategies पढ़ी, you have to name them only. And then describe the leasing है basically rental, जो कि हम लोगों ने अभी leasing के बारे में पढ़ा था कि there was the 2 kind of leasing, operating and financing leasing. So you have to explain them, describe in detail. So yes, this is all about for the today's session. So yes, we were winding up for the today. So yes, thank you so much.